Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and once again I'm going to use these alcohol markers, and this is a lovely stuff. These are not all the sets I have. This is a set of actually 50 colors, but I'm using only this much. So you saw what are the sets, what are the colors I'm picking for this drawing, painting, whatever you call. This painting is going to be a mixed media art, you can say, because I'm going to use alcohol markers, and along with that I'm going to use a little bit of few sets of soft pastels. So soft pastels, this is also a very interesting stuff, because just in a few minutes you can create a lovely background for your drawing or painting. You just scribble it here and there, and with just one or two fingers you can mix the color, you can spread the colors, and you can make various shades. And this is nice thing, actually soft pastel, but later on I will use that for the sea effect and for the sand. But for now, the drawing, specifically the turtle, I'm making with the alcohol markers. And the markers I am using has a dual tip, actually a thin part and the thick part for filling the colors. So right now I am using the colors are light green and yellow, and two sets of brown, dark brown, light brown, and obviously black color that is much required in all the art stuffs. And yeah, I think this much of colors, and also a little bit of blue, two sets of blue, dark and light. And for the sand, yeah, dark orange. And these are the colors I'm using, very few colors actually, but I will try to make it very simple for you. I love doing simple stuffs, you know that, because I want that art should be, the process of making art should be enjoyed by all, and everyone should be able to do that. It's not a very difficult thing, so I don't go for very minor detail and intricate work. I love doing stuffs very simply with relax and cool and calm mind, and you should not feel overburdened with the hard work of doing art. So it should be light and simple, fun, engaging, interesting, and it should be able to do whenever you want to do, whenever you feel you like to do. So this is a sea turtle. Actually, the thought of summer is already in my mind. It's already summer in some part, and in some part in India we are feeling rain also, but it's mostly summer. And from summer we think about sea and the sea creatures. You have seen I already made a video of the koi fish and the octopus in my previous recent videos, and today I'm drawing one sea turtle, which is going to be a very beautiful creature by the sea beach. And I have seen this type of turtle in past years, actually few years back in a sea beach I saw, and I thought it's a very lovely thing, and I don't remember all the details, but I would love to make a painting on that, and this is what I'm doing. So enjoy the process till the end, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it and you will love to do that. So have a good day, enjoy the season, make some art and relax, and make a cup of coffee for you so that you can enjoy my drawing to the end. And please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with your friends. Okay, till then, bye bye, have a good day.